Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to delete your account with Pipio AI. In order to do so, first off, here we are at pipio.ai and we're all logged in. Let's take a look around and see what we can find as far as deleting your account goes. So up at the top right hand corner we have our account icon. We're going to go ahead and click on that, and from here we're going to select account settings. And as you can see here, we do not see any information related to deleting your account. Different websites are different, and sometimes it's a bit more obvious in some websites. By clicking under billing and API keys, we don't see anything about deleting our account. And if you just look around here a bit, you're probably not going to see anything either. Let's go ahead and try clicking on upgrade, and here we don't see anything either. We are going to find this icon here at the bottom right hand corner. If you are under the account settings, then you should see that there. Let's go ahead and just see if that's on the home page as well. It is, so you can click this button here at the bottom right hand corner in order to contact somebody. So here under messages, we're going to select that, and then here we're going to ask a question and we're going to inquire about deleting your account. So that's what you're going to want to do. You're going to want to reach out to PPO directly and request an account deletion. That's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.